This is one of the roads that the lad recommended. I was looking to come along here anyway, but I'm glad that you recommended it, because it means it's probably a good little road to ride the motorbike. He says it goes up and down. He described it like this. So let's see, he reckoned it wasn't a particularly long road, but I'm just going to follow it. I haven't got any sat-nav points in. I'm just going to follow it and see where it takes me. Got a full tank of fuel, got some grub, and I've got the sun shining. What more do you want on a beautiful Saturday afternoon? So, into the unknown, nothing planned. Let's see where this road takes us. Relatively quiet, which is what I want. And all we need is a train. Come on boys, get the finger out, get the train along there. I was telling Nige and Howie and Joe Kim to go on the text last night. I said to them, there was a Norton Commando 750, an old one. There was an aerial as well. It looked like a Royal Enfield, but an aerial one. Apparently there was a British bike meet just along the road. He says, the boy said, you won't get in because you've got a Honda. I said, it's alright, don't need to see them. Anyway, the Norwegian guys weren't that friendly. They were a bit... Anyway, when they're like that, I just keep prodding, just to annoy them. So the bike's looked in lovely condition, well kept. And I said to the guy in the Norton, I said, does your bike leak oil? I says, all the British bikes used to leak oil. That was a bugbear of them. No, not mine. Mine's just perfect. Aye, right, and that's the way he said it. Like he was quite taken aback by it. Mine's just perfect. All right, okay, good to know. Good to know you get some. He drove away, and there were spots of oil where he's parked. Well, I didn't get. I haven't taken a picture of it, but when I get back tonight, I'll take a picture and show you where the spots were. Not a lot, but it's still leaking. It's still leaking oil. Some of the bikers that I've come across on this trip, they've just not been too friendly. I can't remember whether it was Slobo or Ice Diddy Nick who said, or maybe it was Dunk, about waving to other bikers. I think it was Dunk actually, German Jobbies. This is more like it, look at this. It's getting a bit hairy. Wow. That's superb. He was saying about the waving and all the rest of it, and how some do and some don't, and he made a good video on it, a few points. He says, when you get together and you stand and speak, he says, nobody speaks to you. He says, it's like that with the lorries. He says, you're in the yard, when you're getting together, nobody speaks to you. You get out on the road and all of a sudden they're all your best friends waving. That's so true, isn't it? So I haven't really come across too many friendly bikers. The Tosspots that were the Manchurian chapter of the Harley Davidson it was on, there was about a dozen of them, didn't even look my way, and I was standing right next to them. It was like I was invisible. This is superb. I was speaking to another guy though. He was on a small KTM, a 350, an old guy. An old guy. Well, this road is getting very interesting. Yeah, so that's disappointing, isn't it? They were at breakfast this morning, and when I went in, I went, morning, and they were like, I said to them, how was the bike meet? Hardly anybody there. Oh, what a miserable pair of twats. Anywho, the Norton looked very nice. So the Ariel was in good condition. Kickstart, of course. Water's beautiful. How clear that water is. Wow! Crystal clear. So that snow is looking good. Wowzers. Right, you hear that noise? Yep, another waterfall. Look at that thing. I think these guys are going to go in their kayaks down it. Probably. Ah, there he is, he's in it already. Power of that. It's a heavy line up there. Right. Hi. Hello. I can feel the water from here. How good is that? Got to be a certain kind of mad to do this shit. That's a girl, by the way. It's blue rope. Nope.